how to read deleted message on WhatsApp. So on this process, you will have to open your settings and you will have to search here for notification history. Okay. So simply hereby you will have to go for the option like notification history and turn on this notification history. Alright, so after you turn on this notification history feature on your phone, you will be able to read deleted messages on your WhatsApp or with any other app. So simply hereby you can read this deleted message on WhatsApp through this notification history feature on your phone. So if you have this feature, please use this. Hope you like this video, and if this video was helpful to you, please do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.